Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. So today is January favourites, what I've been loving for January, and it's not a lot, it's a few bits that really stood out to me that I want to share with you. The first thing is my Gatineau body lotion with AHA. I love this lotion, it is incredible. You can see how liquidy it is, but it is so moisturizing. It gives skin a gorgeous glow. It makes skin feel super smooth, and it just has this gorgeous happy scent. Every time I use this, I just feel happy. It's a spring scent. It's fresh and floral. It's so lovely, and I just enjoy putting this on every day after my shower. I love it. Next up is my Zoe Skin Health Exfoliating Polish. This came in a sample pack. It looks like this. Oh, it smells lovely and clean. I mean, it's almost like grains of sand. It's so tiny. It's so finely, I wouldn't say finely milled, but it's so finely grained. You know what I mean? It's like a very thin consistency feeling between your fingers, but it leaves skin so smooth. If you were to get one thing from the entire Zoe range, I would recommend this exfoliator, because use this twice a week and skin is left so smooth, so silky. It is the only thing I really feel like my skin is smooth. I can feel it afterwards. And you'll notice the difference. If you exfoliate regularly, you will notice how your products sink in so much better, how much better makeup sits on top of skin. So exfoliation is a really good part, essential part of skincare, and getting the right exfoliant for you as well. So even if you're using glycolics or retinols, you still need something in between to kind of slough off those dead skin cells. And something like this, that's like a physical scrub, works wonders. I really focus on like my center of my face, my pores, my nose and my chin, because that's where I kind of get a bit clogged up, but it just leaves skin like there is nothing like this, and I just highly recommend it. Then for perfume, I am savouring every little bit of this Chanel Coco Mademoiselle. Oh my God, I love this. I wore this the other day and I just thought, oh my God, it's the most beautiful perfume ever. So I'm gonna get the full size of this because I love it. And I can't remember if I ever had this before. I know I used to have Chance number 5, but I can't remember if I ever had Coco Mademoiselle. Oh, I had Allure, but this one is my favorite. It's absolutely gorgeous. Really beautiful, especially if you want to know about feelings and perfumes and choices, then watch my perfume video. But I went out for lunch the other day and I wore this and it was just wonderful. I was really happy wearing it. So I must get the full size of this. Then I've got a beauty sponge. This is the Wet n Wild, and I love this sponge. This was, I think, $3.99, under £5, and it's probably the best beauty blender I've tried. I love that it's got a flat edge here. It's got the rounded bit. You can use all sides of it. The flat side is amazing for packing on foundation. Again, you can pack on foundation this way, and then you can set under the eyes really nicely. I kind of turn it around. It's just so many different ways. I just love this foundation. I find that the Real Techniques is quite thick to go under the eyes. This kind of goes right under, and it's perfect for setting powder. It's such a beauty sponge, and for the price, I think it's better than Beauty Blender. I love this sponge, and I like to apply my foundation typically with a sponge if I want just a quick light coverage. Then for lips, it's what I'm wearing today, and I wore this in my previous video, my books video as well. It's an oldie but a goodie. One has been shopping one's stash, and it's MAC Kind of Sexy. This is a really beautiful, warm nude. For those who don't or can't really go for the pale nude, or don't really like a nude but want to kind of lighten it up for spring, then this is perfect. And I've paired it with NYX Rock and Rose lip liner, which is typically the same colour as this. Slightly rosier, It just gives a really lovely dimension to lips, and it's a gorgeous transition into spring. And then I've just done a cool toned eye today using the Naked 2 palette. Very happy with that. So there we have it. Those are my favourites. I haven't got a lot of favourites. I've got to just, this dog is just, I haven't got loads of favourites this month, but, you know, those are mine. And I wanted to get a video out for you this weekend because, you know, if you like anything like me on the weekend, you just sit there watching YouTube. So I like it when all the videos come in. Sometimes they come in Sunday night and I'm like, no, give me, because Saturday telly is rubbish. So I like to save up my YouTube videos to watch on the weekend. So I thought, you know, better get one out for you. And I shall think what I'm going to do next week. Oh, I think I'm going to do, my next video is going to be my Holy Grail makeup look. I think that's what I'm going to do next. Yeah, so stay tuned for that. I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're having a great weekend, and I'll chat to you soon. Bye.